Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. I just got back from my local hobby shop, Scale Reproductions. Word was out that they purchased a collection of about 700 model kits, so I couldn't get up there fast enough. But more on that in a little while, because I did purchase some stuff on that. But I want to show you what all I got from 3 other hobby shops. So this is a video of what I got from 4 hobby shops. Let's start off with Natkin Hobbies in Michigan. When I went up to Michigan, I heard about Natkin Hobbies, and they actually have 4 hobby shops there in Michigan. And I want to show you what I got from Natkin. Picked up one of these NASCARs, these Salvino NASCARs. I love these kits. These are great kits. The decals are wonderful in these Salvino kits, but I'm really looking forward to building this Hardee's car. I always like the Hardee's paint scheme. Another kit I picked up from there, which is pretty hard to get, is this old Ming kit of the Titanic. I love these tunes kits. I've built some tunes, some tank tunes, but I've always been looking for this Titanic, and they had it. They had a great selection up there. But Natkin Hobbies. And I also picked up, which I can't find it, the pink, there it is, pink spray paint. I've got a van I'm wanting to build, a Charlie's Angels van, and I thought this pink would be wonderful for that. What else we got? Another hobby shop we stopped at in Atlanta was Fusion Hobbies, and I want to show you what I got from Fusion. Picked up some decals, Guns N' Roses decals. I don't necessarily want to build the Guns N' Roses car. I like that group, but I like the Guns N' Roses and maybe put it on a fictitious car. Maybe like a circle track car you'd see at Saturday night at your local racetrack. But love these decals. Got some chrome paint. Can't go wrong with this Revell chrome paint. And they had a great price on it. It's only $27.95 for the chrome paint, and you can't beat that. That's pretty cheap because everyone's selling it for 35 bucks or more. I picked up several bottles of paint. Of course, it's getting to be winter time. I'm getting ready to start building. Picked up some AK Rust colors. What else we got in here? More white spirits. Some streaking by MIG. I love the weather. And speaking of weathering, I'm getting ready to, there's some crusty rust. Speaking of weathering, I'm getting ready to start this kit for the USAC group build, which is due in just a couple weeks, about the middle of January. Yes, it's sitting under my Christmas tree right now. And the reason it's under my Christmas tree, you ask, is every time I sit down at night to watch TV, it's sitting there yelling at me going, work on me, instead of watching TV. What else we got in here? And a filter. Filters are really cool too. But I love weathering. And Fusion had some excellent, the best, probably the best paint selection I've ever seen in a hobby shop. And of course a pen, because I bought a bunch of stuff. What else we got? And hobby shop number 3. Andy's. No, I didn't go to Arizona. This one I kind of cheated and I did a mail order. But what did we get from Andy's? Let's get this opened up. There's 2 mail order companies I highly recommend. That's Andy's Hobby Headquarters and Model Roundup. They are excellent mail order companies if you don't have a local hobby shop to go to. But I like to film hobby shops when I go, and someday I'm going to get to Andy's and film it. I ain't even opened this thing up yet. What all we got in here? Wrapping paper. What do we got? What do we got? Got a Whippet. Love World War I tanks. I think that's super cool. These cars are really neat. There's a series of these cars that this company's doing. Madness of the Streets. I think they've got 2 or 3 or 4 of them out. I'm looking forward to building these things. These are really cool. card from Andy thanking me. Thank you, Andy. Got your autograph. Does that mean I can sell it now for big money since you're famous? I don't know. Something else that's cool, and I've built a few of these. They're sitting right back here. In fact, I can get you to finish them. They're so neat, and they aren't much. They're only like, really, you get 2 of these in this ball tank. You get 2 kits in this. This thing's only like maybe $10 or something. So anyway, it totals down to very cheap for each ball tank. But I was wanting to build all 4 of these. I think you can build them 4 different ways. That's why I picked up another set. I'm going to get these up with those, and then I can finish all 4 of them together. But love this World War I stuff. Let me know down below if you're a World War I or World War II buff. Me, I'm World War I. That's what I like. What we got here, some wrapping paper with Andes. Get this unwrapped. But those whippets, another whippet tank. The reason I got 2 of them, one is from Ming, and the other one is from Taco. I'm wanting to see what the difference is between the 2. The neat thing about the whippet tank is it was the fastest production tank in World War I, and it went like 8 miles an hour. Got to remember that was a long time ago. We got this here tank, this German Krupp tank, which is pretty cool. I think this is neat. This was introduced in 1918, and there was only about 7 or 18 of these built. I always thought that was pretty cool. I'm kind of into the very mechanical looking tanks. I guess that's why it's World War I stuff that I really like, along with World War I airplanes. That's my order from Andy's. Now let's get to the big order, or not an order. Let's get to the big shopping spree I did, which was from my local hobby shop, Scale Reproductions. Get this box put away, and I gotta go over here and get the other box because there's a lot of stuff. Okay, my haul from Scale Reproductions, and that hobby shop is in Louisville, Kentucky, and I think it's one of the best hobby shops you can ever go to. But anyway, they purchased a collection of about 700 kits. A lot of the stuff was started, so there was stuff anywhere from basically $1 to $20. And when I went in there, it was a madhouse. It's like a bomb went off. There were so many people running around grabbing stuff. And I had actually went in there, weeded through some people and grabbed some kits and was holding them and had a whole stack of kits and was looking at some other stuff. And a lot of these boxes you had to open up and go through because, like I said, they were anywhere from a buck up to $20 a piece. So you kind of had to look in there and see, well, why is this only $1? Why is this $3? Why is this $5? That's fun. It's like being at a swap meet. Man, I had such a great time. But I set some stuff down, you know where this is going, to look at some dollar boxes. A couple minutes later, I look over, my kits were gone. Someone was already buying them, so, oh well, it is what it is. But I got a lot of stuff. This was $1. Why was this $1? Because it's got a bunch of just parts in it. But, well, worth $1. Man, there's a cool project right there. This thing's loaded with parts. This is great. Man, I got all kinds of stuff I want to show you. What else we got? Picked up this kit. What was this? This was $5. It's basically all there. The box just says no tires. I didn't even bother looking to see if there were tires or not, because like I said, you set something down, it was gone. $5 kit. Love vans. Is there even a van in it for $5? There is a Chevy van. Yes. Remember that Charlie's Angels van I was talking about that I was wanting to build? This might be it right here. I may save the four-wheel drive part for something else. Love that van. Can't get enough of them Chevy vans, especially with the flares on rebuilt in. What else we got here? I got a bunch of stuff. Hang with me if you want to see it all. This here kit, what'd I pay for it? What does it say? I think this was a $10 kit. It was open. It is all there. Decals are in there. Everything's in there. Great kit. It's a great decal sheet too. I'm a flame junkie. I got a ton of decals to show you coming up. Spoiler alert. What we got on this? That was $2. Like I said, a lot of this stuff, buck on up. Sealed was 20. Been started. It's got wheels in it. Dig all this stuff. What do we got? What do we got? Hey, them Kragers are worth it right there. I'm a Krager junkie. Love Kragers. So we got that. This was $10. It's all there. It's complete. $10 for an open kit. You can't beat that. What do we got here? This was $1. This looked like a fun box to open up. And this got some decals from something. And just some parts for $1. You can't beat it. I should have grabbed all the dollar kits and not even looked inside of them because I lost them one kits I had. $10 for the Vandal. I had the Vandal. I got rid of it. I actually had two Vandals. I built the mini bike. Got it somewhere, I think in one of my display cases. And I sold a complete Vandal, and then I sold my Vandal without the mini bike. So I've been looking for another Vandal actually to build. Once I got rid of it, I kind of wish I had it still. But it's all there, it's complete. Mini bike's in there and everything. But really neat kit. A lot of people don't know about this kit. And it does come with that cool little mini bike. But $10, it's all there. Couldn't beat it. What else we got? Got a bunch of stuff. Got all this stuff behind me. Oh, hit the tripod. Grim Reaper kit. This is a cool kit too. It's all there. I don't know what this cost. It's not marked. I started grabbing stuff fast, and then they pricing it at checkout. There's another $1 kit. Look at this thing. This is loaded with stuff for $1. The thing I liked about this kit, I think this is the kit I was going through when I lost them other kits. This kit has the camper shell with it, and that's what I was looking for, was to make sure all the pieces were there from the camper shell. I was looking for that side piece, and if I remember right, it was in there. Yep, there's the side piece. So I wanted that camper shell. So to me, $1 for that camper shell was well worth it. Even if I don't use anything else inside there. What else we got? We got this kit. This was a $5 kit. It's loaded with stuff. It's got tires. I thought, man, if it's got tires and wheels, the Krager's in there, that's well worth that. But it's got them. What else we got? If you guys are familiar with Mobius, this Hudson kit's a beautiful kit. Whether you want to build the Mobius Hudson or not, these have wonderful engines for rat rod projects. But for $10, this is going to be all there, and it is. So $10. Plus, I've got a donor kit for a resin body I'm wanting to do from Jimmy Flintstone that I picked up that I think is going to go on here. Well worth $10. What else we got? $2 for the old Ford. What's in there? We don't know. Cool decal sheet. Decal junkie. Love flames. I'm a flame junkie too. Again, tires, wheels, Kragers, parts. Now there's wheels for the Chevelle kit. So you don't know what's all in these kits. It's all kind of mix and match, mumble jumble. The body's not in there. That's probably why it was only a couple bucks. What else we got? This one was sealed. This is 20. Been looking for another Stacey David kit. Love the show that Stacey David does. He does a great job. Love that hot rod, the tires and wheels, the interior. It's a very unique kit, and it's very different. Dang it, my battery went out. Where was I with Stacey? I always put a new battery in when you guys are filming. Anyway, this here's a cool kit. Glad I got it. 20 bucks, sealed. Can't go wrong with that. What else we got? Got this van for 10. I'm into custom vans. Couldn't pass it up. It's all there, complete, still sealed. Picked up this Resin Nova body with that hood. I don't even know if the hood will fit or not. We'll see. Picked up this here Johan body. Just a body. I built one of these a while back and made it into a gasser. It's pretty cool. What else we got? Got a bunch of stuff in this box. I picked up one built kit. I saw this and I thought, man, this is cool. This old Chevelle, kind of done up like a street freak. Thought it was kind of cool. I don't know, I'll clean it up, I'll do something with it, maybe redo it. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. And we got loads of decals. I still got other stuff in this box too. Loads of decals. Like I said, I'm a decal junkie. But look at all these decals I went through. What I mostly did is I went through and I looked for stuff to use for gassers. And I was actually going through and looking for moon eyes. But it's the eyes that go the correct way. As you notice, those are different, so that means they'll be facing forward when you put them on the car. But that's what I like. All these different decals. There's a whole bunch of them. Got more decals yet. Thought that was a pretty cool sheet. Remember the Willys Go Ape? Go Ape gasser? I like that lace. I thought, well, of course this is designed to go on that Willys, but maybe you could use some of these pieces to put on another car, or maybe cut some of that out to put on another car. So that lace would be pretty cool. And then I got a whole box of tires and wheels. And I kind of cherry picked and went through and grabbed a bunch of Kragers and stuff. Well, something kind of cool. But anyway, that's my haul from 4 different hobby shops. Let me know down below what your favorite thing was out of this haul. And we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.